Hello students, today we'll be answering some questions on IUPAC nomenclature, how to name organic compound. Question number 1, it says, name the following compounds below. 1, we have this, 2, we have this, 3 and 4. So let's start. Question number 1, answer to question number 1. Answer to question number 1, we have, so let me roll. So question number 1, we have Cl, CH2OH. Now, how do you name this now? Let's count our carbon. Our carbon is, we have carbon 1, carbon 2, carbon 3. Then still count from here. We have 1, we have 2, we have 3. Whenever we are giving preference to a functional group, the functional group takes the smallest number. So we are giving preference to hydroxyl. So we now say that hydroxyl, this is an alkanol. This is an alkanol. So the OH here signifies that this is an alkanol. We are giving the preference to this O, which is the hydroxyl, which is the functional group. So not to this halide, which is the chlorine that is attached. So we have, because of this now, I'm taking my counting from this one, because if I count from this chlorine, that means chlorine will not take the smallest number. 1, 2, 3. No, I don't want to give the preference to them. I'm giving to this because this is what? This is an alkanol. This is, I will count from here now. 1. I'm counting from here so that this hydroxyl can take the smallest number. 1, 2, 3. So at this position 3, I have chlorine. I will say 3, then 3 chloro. This is how many carbon do we have? 1, 2, 3. Methane, ethane, propane. But we have OH here, which is all. This one I call 3 chloro, propan, 1 O. Did you get that now? Position of this OH is 1 here, 1 O. Or you can simply say 3 chloropropanol. So this is still correct. They are both correct. So we quickly look at number 2. Then number 2, this is the number 2 here. Please look at the board. This is the number 2. Then let me name from here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So I have told you before, check my previous video where I said that whenever a hydrocarbon have a single bond like this one now, whenever it have a single bond or whenever it has single bond, it is an alkane. When it is double bond, it is an alkene. When it is a triple bond, it is an alkyne. I have explained that in my previous video. I'm only here to start applying the principle that I gave to you in our previous video. So how do we name this now? This already, we are seeing 3 here. 3, that is triple bond. Triple bond is an alkyne. So this compound is already an alkyne. Where we say that double bond and triple bond, they are unsaturated hydrocarbon. Double bond and triple bond are unsaturated what? Hydrocarbon. But single bond are saturated hydrocarbon. Then my functional group here, or who will I give preference to? Don't forget that. Who will I give preference to? Is this triple bond here, because here is the functional group of alkyne. The functional group of alkyne is the triple bond. Now I look at 1, 2, 3 here. This carbon 3, this is the one you will take for this triple bond, this 3. Then, but if you count from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, you will take 5. Counting from here, you take 5. Counting from here, you take 3. So I'm going to take the counting at the top to name this compound. So 1, 2, 1, 2 at position 2. I have one methyl. I have another methyl. 1, 2. At position 2, I have 1, 2 here. Methyl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At position 6, I have another one here. At position 6, because I'm taking this counting on the top. 6, I have this. So how many do I have now? I have 2 2, because at this position 2 I have 1 2 2 2, comma, then position 6 2 2 6, then 1 2 3, that is methyl, because this is 1 methyl, 2 methyl, another methyl. So methyl is 3, that is tri. If it were to be just 2, it should be di. So 1 is mono. So we have 2 2, because this position 2 I have 1 2, I have 2 on position 2 2 2, then you move on 6, I have 1 on 6. I'm not taking this 3 because this 3 is from this side. So I'm taking it, look at here now, here is 7. I'm not taking this 7 because I'm not taking this counting. Instead I'm taking this counting. This counting I have 2 2, then 6 has only 1. But if I were to be taking this downward, it will be 3 7 7. Here will not be 7 7. So, but I'm not taking this down, I'm taking the upper part. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. That is oc. 1 2 3, octane. I'm taking this oct from the word octane. 1 2 3, oct 3 1 and e. Did you get that? So my naming is 2 2 6 trimethyl octreine. So 1 2 3. This 3 is the T, because this 3 indicates the position of the triple bond. 3 I hope that is clear. So I move on to question number. Can I erase this? I move on to question number 3. This is question 3. This is question 3. So now let's look at the board. We have, let me count from here: 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Now counting from here, now we have how many carbon do we have? 5. That is pent. That is pent. 5 is pent. Methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane. That is pent. Now 1, at position 1 I have a double bond. 1 I have a double bond. 3, this carbon 3, I have another double bond. So double bond is position 2, sorry, is position 1 and position 3. From this side, 1 2 is on position 2 and position 4. So the upper one is lower, so I have to take the smallest number. So the upper one is lower. So I'm going to have 1 2 3 4 5. Then I'm going to have pent 1 1 3 1 3 diene. So I use the word diene because this is in. 1 is in. This is in, E-N-E. This is another word, E-N-E. We have in here. We have in here. In. So when we are having two in one structure or in one compound, we call it diene. If you are to be one, if we have diene, if you have double bond here, we have another double bond. We have another double bond here, like 3 places, double bond in 3 places. We call it triene. So, but here now we have 1, we have 2. That's why I'm calling it 1 3. Because position 1 has 1, position 3 has 1. That is 1 3 diene. We have double bond there. So that is the name for that one. Then we now look at the last one, which is number 4. Number 4. What do we have here? This is number 4. Let me name the rest. Now, preference go to this because this is 1 2 3. This is methane, ethane, propane. This is propanoic acid. This is propane 1 2 3. Oic. You know this one is a carboxylic acid. This is methane, ethane, propane, and we have this. This is propanoic acid. So since we are having the highest functional group here, COOH, which is carboxylic acid, so we give preference to this. So numbering begins from here: 1 2 3. You can see name 1 2 3, but we are making use of this particular up because we are giving preference to this carboxylic acid. 1 2. Then our name is going to be 2-hydroxyl propanoic acid. Propanoic acid. That is the name of that one. Then this one becomes 2-hydroxyl propanoic acid. I hope that is clear. Please follow for more. God bless.